Welcome to Crystal's Creations. Let's make our first batch of fire cider. Fire cider is a home remedy that I've been wanting to make for years, and I really don't have a good excuse because it's pretty straightforward and simple to make. You can customize fire cider, but the basic ingredients include things like ginger, garlic, onions, apple cider vinegar, and hot peppers. I decided to add turmeric, a variety of citrus including lemons, limes, and oranges, as well as rosemary and thyme out of my garden. I also opted for pomegranate seeds. Not only are they packed full of vitamin C and potassium, but they're also beautiful. After washing everything thoroughly, I cut the citrus into small pieces and placed all of the ingredients into clean mason jars. All that was left to do was top each jar off with apple cider vinegar with the mother, and I opted to put a small piece of wax paper between the fire cider and the lid. I don't know that this was absolutely necessary, but I decided to give it a try. I'll place this in my pantry, which is cool and dark, for several weeks. At that point, I'll go ahead and strain the mixture. I realize many people use raw honey to sweeten their fire cider, but I'm trying to cut down on sweeteners, so I don't think I'm going to add any to this batch. And with that said, it's all done. See, there was no excuse for me not getting it done in time for cold and flu season. Please let me know if you decide to make your own batch of fire cider. Wishing you and yours a healthy winter. Thanks for watching.